Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare pepper chicken dry fry. So for this I've taken half kg of chicken with the bones and I'm going to marinate it with some salt, turmeric powder and some apple cider vinegar. You can also add lemon juice instead of it, some ginger garlic paste and mix this well. Cover it with a lid and keep it in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. So after it's marinated well, in a pan I'm going to add some ghee and I'm going to pan fry it on medium heat. So turn it and fry it on the other side. Keep checking that all the sides of the chicken are cooked. Once it is 70% cooked, we are going to keep this aside. In a wok, I'm going to add some coconut oil for the seasoning, some finely chopped garlic. Stir fry it till the garlic turns golden brown. Then I'm going to add some finely chopped onions. Stir fry the onions till that raw flavor disappears. Now I've added cherry tomato and slit green chilies. So stir fry this till the tomatoes are cooked. Now I've added curry leaves. Fry it for some time. Now it's time to add some masalas, some coriander powder, some cumin powder. So mix it and fry it for some time. Now add the chicken pieces and add the pepper powder. Mix all the pieces well so that it gets coated with the masala. Now sprinkle some salt. And cover it with a lid, adding some water on the lid and cook it on low flame for some time. Keep checking in between so it doesn't get burnt, and if required you can add some water. And again pour some water on the lid and let it simmer for some time. In between, keep checking and stir the pieces so that it doesn't get burnt. Now once it is 100% cooked, we are going to garnish it with some finely chopped coriander. And now time for serving. So do try this recipe of mine, the pepper chicken dry fry, and also stay updated because I'll be posting more recipes. Bye. See you in my next video.